Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Harry Viral. Today I will show you how to activate your dark mode features in your Facebook Messenger application, and this feature almost works all the Android mobile devices including iOS phone also. Yesterday night the social network Facebook announces its new update, and this update is called dark mode feature. This reason I directly go to my tutorial. First of all, I tried to open my Facebook Messenger application via my new Android mobile, but this dark mode setting is only visible by sending the moon emoji to any one of your friends contact. So here I will write, you can get your emoji and then send. After that, sending the moon emoji to anybody of your friends. So here I try to open my friend contact and then tap emoji sections. You can select this second emoji. Once you send this emoji, it shows lots of emojis you can see just before, and it indicates my dark mode settings are now ready to use. But if you send this emoji to first time, your dark mode settings are visible in this same chat section. But unfortunately here I sent this emoji in second time. Then how to activate it? Just go back to the one step and press your profile icon, and you can see here place at the most of the side left corner. Finally I get the option called dark mode, so just click to enable it, and then you can see my dark mode feature is now ready to use, and this trick works very smoothly. So this is the way you can easily activate your dark mode feature by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Harry Viral, and thanks for watching.